Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send out newsletter Mailchimp. So first things first, you have to create an account in Mailchimp, and then here in the Mailchimp you have to navigate to audience tab. Okay, scroll down here. Now in the audience tab, you can now create here or select an existing audience or click create audience to start a new one. Basically, you can import contacts here if you have, or you can just create or add new contact manually. You can add the email address of that specific person or account and then create an audience here on MailChimp. Once you have, then you can now create a campaign. Tap on regular email right here. Click this one. And then after that, you'll be guided through setup. So basically, you can choose from any, but I'm going to select the second one. Okay. And then you're going to select a template right here. But let's just pick the basic or the simple one. And what you're going to do next is to add it in your newsletter. So for example, it's a newsletter that you want to announce that you have new product or upcoming product right here. And then you're going to add the picture, add more information about this product. After that, if you tap on the send icon right here, then obviously it will head you to this setup, which is you have to add the to, from, subject, and content. So the to, of course, you have to choose the audience that you have created earlier. You can select that audience right here. And then for from, add sender name and email. Subject, you can add subject right here, and then the content. So after that, once you have added everything here, and once everything is okay, then you can now send this or schedule this for sending. So basically, you can select the time and the date, but before sending, you have to make sure that nothing is missing. So that's basically how easy it is to send out newsletter Mailchimp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.